name is Lamont. I am the captain and trainer of Tasmanian Flyball team. Flyball is like the most exhilarating dog sport you could ever get into. And it's 2 teams of 4 dogs and it's a relay race. So the dog has to go down to the spring-loaded box, release it, bring back a tennis ball from the box, and it's the fastest 4 dogs in each team. The beauty of Flyball is the diversity. Any dog can do it, any person can do it, you know, whether it's an older person that just needs a hobby or to get out of the house, younger kids. I've worked with a lot of maybe troubled children that have come through and need a little bit of a focus, and they work with me, they work with the dogs, and they kind of get on track because they've got that real focus. So Flyball really is not just about the dogs for us, it's about the community and what and how it can affect and help people. Been playing Flyball and working with dogs since the age of 14. I work in a wide range of things, obviously predominantly Flyball, but we work in last chance rescues, behavioural cases, we teach scent work, obedience, agility, so I travel the world teaching various disciplines, and predominantly we teach Flyball. Yeah! Good job! Oh my god, it's amazing. You know, I've played Flyball for 15 years, my wife's played Flyball 22 years. Going onto that green carpet is like nothing you've ever done before. You know, we've gone and we've represented the country in the World Championships and out in Belgium. We've travelled all over the world watching and teaching Flyball. Going onto that green carpet is like nothing you could ever imagine. You know, like everybody watching, the noise, the heat of the lights, it's just amazing. You're going to let her go, and then when she gets the ball, call her, and then just try and get her to come back over the guns. And then Nico will run up and down here and then. So we do have some specific bred dogs. Our kennel is the Rosia Velociter. We breed, health test, make sure that we put everything into our breeding dogs for sport. Probably 25% of our dogs are last chance rescues. So, as I said, I started playing Flyball when I was 14. At 18, I started my own team, so I was probably one of the youngest team captains ever back then. My ambition and sort of drive to be one of the best has never really altered. A great friend of mine who started the team, Helen, and her name's Helen Welch. I couldn't drive at the time, so she chauffeured me all around the country to all of these competitions. We moved up from London 3 years ago. She moved up with us, you know, my wife and I. So we're a massive community and unit. So the team started when I was 18, and I just thought that we could maybe do it a little bit better, a little bit differently to how we've been doing it before. And then we became British and European record holders a few years later.